I feel that I'm guessing that customers like yours would not like these, term deposit rates, cash rates, that this pressure going down because they'd been used to term deposits. Is it a concern for them at the moment where the cash rates are?
Yeah, for the retiree clients, that's just about dominates our conversation at the moment when it comes to portfolio construction, because they're really happy with the equity returns of the last year, and then now the amount of money we're seeing bailing out of term deposits is quite huge, and they all can't go into equities, so we've got to be looking at fixed income. So we're spending a lot of time talking to clients about what fixed income is, because a lot of them have been on the sidelines in term deposits for 3 years or so.
When they're all going into equities, and I get that, is it mainly self-invested, or do they all go to fund managers? We've got Roger Montgomery on next week. They going to people like Roger, or what do they do? Do they just...
Well, in our practice, we have a combination of managed and direct. So we're not like a traditional financial planning practice, I guess, where it would all be managed funds. So we're very heavily involved in direct assets, and so we use managed funds as satellite funds around the core portfolio of direct equities.
And that would be something like the Magellan would be a satellite where you'd say, listen, I want to get access to the Europe, to the North American market. And that makes a bit of sense. Does that mean that you can get access to people like Magellan and talk to them about what their strategies are?
Absolutely.
Do you get drilled down that hard?
Yeah, absolutely.
How do you find those sort of conversations? Is it a time-consuming experience for you?
For us?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, what's hard, I guess, is that there's so many providers.
That's what I mean. There'd be so many people knocking on your door saying, hang on, I know how to buy equities, really?
Yeah. So you've got to spend a bit of time, and we have research that comes in every month, obviously, that tells us what all these funds are doing. So we spend most of our time on that research rather than hearing from them directly.
Them individually, yeah, right.